Look at what this says. I've been at Bryn Mawr since 1991. I came here mostly because I really wanted to find a school that was dedicated to both teaching and research excellence. I came here from more instructorship at MIT, and before that I got my PhD at University of California, Berkeley, and my undergraduate at University of Michigan, Ann Arbor. All of these very large places, very strong research places, but often very impersonal. So one of the things that really attracted me to Bryn Mawr is the small liberal arts school atmosphere. I could come here and I didn't have to give up having graduate students and really keeping my research very active. So it's like I could come here and have it all. I'll give you the ideas and the proof. At MIT, I taught linear algebra to 150 students. That was the size of my class. Here I'm now teaching linear algebra to 15 students. It's just an incredible difference. So my passion is algebraic number theory, which involves the integers and generalizations of the integers. My research ranges from solving equations all the way through studying geometric objects called Hilbert modular varieties. I also study the pure algebra problem of inverse Galois theory. In Galois theory, we're looking usually at a field extension and asking, what is the Galois group of that extension? In inverse Galois theory, we go the other way around. We start out with a group and say, okay, what might be the extension that this came from? Which fields might have extensions that go with this group? What can we tell about the question? So we're sort of going in the other direction. My graduate students generally work either in algebraic number theory or in other advanced algebra. More often with current graduate students, I'm setting them up on their own project. I'm working with them, helping them get along with it, mentoring them, so that it really belongs to them. They can learn the ropes, learn the subject matter, learn what they're doing, and they're also dealing with people who really care about teaching. Right now I'm teaching graduate algebra, but I've also taught algebraic number theory, I've also taught algebraic topology, and a research seminar. A couple years ago I was invited to work at the National Science Foundation for a year. I was working with grant proposals in mathematics in my area of specialty, making recommendations on which should be funded, etc. And that was a very interesting experience, but I really missed the teaching. I missed the interaction with the students. I missed the whole atmosphere of being on campus. There are maybe one or two other liberal arts schools that have active graduate programs at the level we do. It's something unique here.